Right, we've been trying to do this for ages. It should have been done at Christmas, really. We give away the miscellaneous toys to the kids. I thought I was doing a video, but the video was corrupt. But luckily Mel took some pictures to give to Rick, so he knew that we actually give the toys away. Now what we're going to do is we've managed to put some stuff together here, and we're going to raffle it off to the kids. We've got a load of candy, what me and Mel's bought, to give away to the kids. Unfortunately, the toys are really for boys, not girls. So it's just going to be boys. I think there's about 22 items, and that's why we're going to raffle it. We've got about 50 bags of candy, so the girls will have something as well. But it's been really weird. If it hasn't rained, I've not been very well. If I'm okay, it's rained. It's took a long time to get to where we are now, but it's not going to matter because these are second-hand toys. But it doesn't matter in the Philippines, guys, because the kids will love these. They'll absolutely love these because it's stuff they can't really get in the Philippines. This has all come from the US. So Mel's putting the numbers on, and the kids will be able to obviously put the hands in a little plastic box and pull the number out, and whatever number they pull out, they'll get the toy. Now, as soon as the parents get whiff that there's toys being given away, you're going to see a load of parents here. There's not many people about, like there was on New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. I feel really tired.
26, so we're gonna, the kids only 26.
Right, yeah, but there's more candy though, isn't there? So we've got a lot of candy to give away. I think there's about 50 bags what me and Mel bought. So all the kids should walk away with something anyway. So she's put numbers on the toys, but I haven't got a clue how she's gonna like sort it. And straight away adults are coming. Can we be in the raffle? No. I don't know how she's going to do it, guys. Don't know how she's going to sort it out. I mean, if there's 26 items but there's like 30-40 kids, what do we do then? Because I said what we should do is just put the numbers in the candy that we give to the kids, the boys, and just give them out, you know, give the candy out, and if they're lucky enough to get a number, then whatever the number matches, they get the toy. But I don't think Mel's doing it like that. I think she hasn't got enough numbers. Mel, how are you doing it? Are you putting the numbers? Are you putting the numbers in the bags?
No.
You're just gonna let them pick one out the box? Who you decide? Huh? So you're gonna decide who can pick then?
Yeah, they can pick them.
They can.
They will pick.
Oh God. It's like, who's they? Who's they?
The kids.
What? Just any kids?
25 kids only.
Yeah, no, but we need to be focusing on the really poor ones,
Yeah.
not the ones like, you know, no, they're not allowed, but they can have candy.
Grace allowed because she's poor.
She's poor? Oh, okay.
She wants to cheat. She wants to cheat.
She wants to
said,
cheat?
Give me the 8 because she wants the 8 number.
No,
No.
doesn't
She said,
work
no,
like that.
unfair.
Yeah, 5 kids, no job, not a good situation. So guys, we're on Rumble. Please go over to Rumble and support us on Rumble as well, because if we suddenly disappear from YouTube, that's where we'll be. And if you like our videos, you can support us on Super Thanks. You'll see a heart below the video, and thanks, you click on that. Always appreciated. So a very big thank you to Rick and Michelle, his lovely wife, who supplied these toys. Now again, they're second hand, but it doesn't matter, because these kids, they'll love them. They'll absolutely love them. So if you want to send toys for next year, guys, they can be new toys, they can be second hand, as long as they're complete, in good condition, and the toys are complete. Again, you'll make some little kids very happy. But it's best to send early to make sure we get them and we can give them out. I'm just a little bit annoyed with myself. It's took this long to give these toys away, and I think we're going to have enough candy for all the kids. So as you've gathered, Mel's just going to pick kids to pick out a number. See, I would have done it different. You know, put your ideas in the comments. But I would have just, you know, got some random bags. Now, all these toys obviously are more for boys than girls, but I guess there's some Tom girls out there. Tom boys, Tom girls. This is Kelly. This is Mel's niece. Now, once word gets round, there'll be loads of kids here, and the parents will come. And what would normally happen if you're going to do something like this, guys, you've really got to, you know, organize it properly, because the parents come out and they start demanding, and, you know, what about my child, you know, blah blah blah. I wish we could do a lot more, but we can't. But like I say, there's I think there's about 50 bags of candy that me and Mel got, so I think all the kids will get something. I can't believe this. There's no kids. They're in.
Some of the kids, they
go to Centro to do begging, and I don't mean to belittle anybody, I'm just saying that's how it is. There's not many kids here, but you can see the ones that are here are excited. They're all going to get candy, even the girls will get candy. But there's a lot more toys than there is kids, so we'll probably be here a long time to give the toys away. I think we've failed miserably. Well, perhaps not miserably, but we've failed to get enough children, or at least enough boys, to give away the toys, and we'll still have candy left. So maybe We'll be eating a lot of candy for the next few days. Mel's just been round there. She's come back with no kids. I can't believe this. This is really strange. There's normally loads of kids around. We found a few more kids. We've had to remove 4 or 5 kids that are like family. We've got to be strict. It's only the poor kids that we want to have the toys, and if there's any candy left, we'll hand the candy out. But so this is going to be interesting. The lady you see with the yellow top on said, can her 1-year-old have something? And Mel said no, it's 4 upwards. It's starting to rain again. It's raining every day. For a change. So Mel's auntie's kids tried to get in the line. Mel's sister's kids tried to get in the line. We've got to be strict. These kids have nothing. I mean, look, some of them have no shoes, no flip-flops. I'm shocked because yeah, sure. No. Happy New Year!
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out.